Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, raise screens to eye level and sit with feet grounded. Once done, gently tuck your chin like creating a double chin, hold for 5 to 10 breaths and release. Make sure to engage your upper back by squeezing shoulder blades together. Do 3 sets of 10 squeezes. Breathing matters. Exhale as you contract, inhale as you relax. These first actions immediately reduce strain and cue better posture. They also prime the neck muscles, so deeper corrections will work safely. Next, focus on controlled strengthening and mobility. Start cervical retractions. Glide the head back and hold for 2 seconds, 10 reps per set. This trains the deep neck flexors. Once done, perform scapular rows with a band for 3 sets of 12 to reinforce mid-back support. Then stretch upper traps with side bends held for 30 to 45 seconds each side to release tightness. Make sure to move slowly and monitor pain. Slow, eccentric work builds endurance and reduces forward head fatigue over time. Finish by integrating these steps into your day. Set an alarm and do the 5-minute sequence every 2 hours to prevent recurrence. Once you progress, increase resistance or reps every 1 to 2 weeks so muscles adapt. If you experience a pain spike, make sure to reduce intensity immediately, apply ice for 10 to 15 minutes, and rest for 24 to 48 hours before resuming gentle work. If numbness, tingling, or weakness appears, stop and consult a clinician without delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.